Hello guys, you are now in Frutillar, Chile, joining a tour with a Chilean lady.
They also have fruit trees in some of the gardens, yeah, apple, plum or cherries. Look at this house here, this to the left hand side, this white. That is one of the oldest that we have here. Well, and there is a theater over there. Well, here in Frutillar, that is also very important, the art, music. Yeah, on that theater, they celebrate in February 2 weeks of classic music concerts. People that come here to play the piano, play the guitar, orchestras also. So here we have a lot of things to see. We have here to the left hand side, for example, these houses here. Alerce tree because it is in black color. We also are going to see the Lutheran church. When these German settlers arrived, the Lutherans established on one side of the city, and they have their Lutheran church there, and the Catholics they established on the other side, so they have their church there. And as I was telling you, you are going to read, well, this is the Lutheran church here, Lutheran. Yeah, well, here to the right hand side we have the theater, beautiful and big theater for the concerts. So they are very proud of their theater, really.
It's nice.
And there is an art school. This is for the kids to go and learn piano, violin, guitar or ballet. Well, and about the beautiful lake there, Yanquihue, look at the color of the sun, gray, because of the influence of the volcanic activity. And crossing the lake, that mountain that you can see there is the Osorno volcano. Osorno. So it's a straight line from here is about 30 kilometers, the volcano. Well, and the beautiful flowers that we can still see, like hydrangeas, geraniums. See. Well, here is so nice to walk. Yeah, it's very fun. This is the Catholic Church. Yeah, the first glasses came from Germany. And we have a school. This is a public one for boys and girls.
Hello. Hola.
And a bank. And this is a house for to drink coffee, tea shop.
Nasa mga gilid ng dagat ito.
There to the left hand side, you're going to see the museum. So now we're going to that place for to park our bus.
Yan ang dagat. Yan mga school kids siguro yan. Ayan.
Nasa kanto yun.
Di ba yan? Doon ang museum yung dinaanan natin eh, no? This is the beautiful house that she's saying.
Ito yun.
Ito raw yung magandang bahay. It's made of wood. Ngayon ito ang kanilang restaurant. Maliliit lang building rito kasi katulad ng Philippines, ano rin, earthquake area. Yan, Aleman. Papunta na kami sa museum. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya, no? Parang clock. At yun na yung mga bahay. Ano yung condominium, apartment, whatever. Yan ang mga bahay. Mga bahay din yan. Mapunta na kami sa museum. Ayun na yung bus namin. Naghihintay sa amin. I still have 15 minutes to see the museum. Dito na kami sa museum area. Yan ang museum area. Yan o. May mga maraming puno. Tsaka yun yata yung sinasabi nilang German house. But it looks really like a German house. Ay, wow, ang ganda ng mga flowers nila. Yan. Flowers. Parang garden. Garden na yung parang. Kaya lang medyo patay.